Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to remove a watermark from a picture in Photoshop. First of all, I remove the text. Click use menu tool for best way, for text for best way. Magic wand tool. Right click on your mouse, select magic wand tool. Click multiple. Then click and select. Okay, then again right click on your mouse and click quick selection. Again right click on your mouse, fill content aware. Then press Ctrl D. Now see this remove. You remove for difficult area or difficult space. Okay. Use spotting brush tool or use paste tool. First of all, select. You can use magic tool, magic wand tool for normal. Okay, then click and drag it. Now see this. Press Ctrl D. Remove easily. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Apply the same formula for this image. Press Ctrl D.